This is a quick introduction to Skylight Analytics, Customer Visibility. I've logged on to Skylight as an administrative user, so I have access to all customer data and all dashboards. You can see here a potential dashboard that's used with a basic view of all customers, in this case looking at circuit performance summary, showing a heat map of potential availability issues, looking at capacity, loss, delay, information about all these circuits. On this simple view, I could do something like click on one of the circuits that I see that's a potential problem, and the system will automatically reduce the visibility down to that one circuit so I can focus on it specifically. Now let's look at that more advanced dashboard. This might be a pre-built dashboard that you could use to give a more advanced view of the network. For example, here you can see KPI information about the entire network, alerts, warning you of potential issues, and alerts over time, again warning you of potential issues in the network, as well as the breakdown by location and so on that you can click and drill down in. On top of that, you can look at specific circuits, for example. So in this dashboard, we've constructed it so that you can drill down and see circuit performance summary, and then you can drill into a specific circuit, for example, and see the details and the KPIs for just that circuit, alarms raised, and performance for the specific circuit. You could also choose to change the time that you're looking at, for example, to look at a longer period of time, going back days or months if you wanted to, or drill into a specific time interval. Then I might want to have an even more advanced view. So for example, I could offer something that looks something like this, where we get an even more advanced view of the network for customers, where information is broken down by things like type of service, so Ethernet services, IPVPN services, and so on. This could be constructed to further drill down. So if, say, I wanted to look at my IPVPN services in detail, I can do that and get an overall view of IPVPN service performance. And then I could drill down even further into specific service KPIs for that IPVPN service, getting a breakdown by class of service and by circuit, and looking at the detailed class of service metrics. Now let's look at this from the potential perspective of a customer. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in as a user. In this case, and this is potentially a customer from a bank coming in looking at their circuits. In this case, they would land on the same standard dashboard, but in this case, it's only showing the circuits that belong to them and their bank. It shows the basic capacity information, availability information, and so on that you would expect, allowing customers to get a view of their network and how their circuits are performing. Again, you can click on one to drill down and see additional details. You can also do things like say, okay, I want to download a PDF of this report immediately, right now, what I'm looking at on my screen. Or I could also schedule it. So for example, I could say something like, I want to have this exact view built every week starting on Sundays at midnight, and I want to run it every Sunday at midnight. This could be called my weekly view. And I could potentially, choose to email it to myself and other users of the system, so that you would get a PDF sent to you every week with this view, or every day, or every few hours, whatever you would like it to do. So this provides a quick overview of the capabilities of using Skylight Analytics to give you a customer view.